This is a waterfall that I built years ago that had kind of fallen into a little disrepair. It's full of weeds and algae. Went over there and sprayed it all down with Roundup. This gazebo here had some screen on it. We pulled it all off because it was falling off, and the rose bushes were growing up to where you couldn't get down through the walkway. We just did a general cleanup on everything. Cleaned out the pond, cleaned out, pressure washed all this wood, and then painted the wrought iron fence. I ordered some screens, some real nice solar screens. After we got through painting all the wrought iron, we put on solar screens and sprayed all the wood with Thompson's water seal. Came out real nice. I had 2 or 3 guys helping me on this cleanup project, and man, there was a lot of weeds. It took a couple of days to get in there, and even after spraying it with Roundup, to get them all pulled up out of all those cracks. And then we pressure washed all the rocks, and then got all of that debris out before we ever turned the waterfall back on. Well, the waterfall's running and the wrought iron is all painted. Here's the real nice screens. Those are like 5-foot wide screens that we put all the way around this gazebo. Framed them up with pipe on the inside to give it some good structure, and then trimmed it out with rough cedar. Here's the wrought iron fence. After we trimmed everything, we painted all the wrought iron and fixed that screen door back on there. Just did a little gentle repair. Come out really nice. Thank you, Mr. Kane, for all the work through all the years. Been working for you a long time. Appreciate you.